Here I have a master number 540 padlock. It's a dimple lock. There's the key for it. Just got this one in the mail. Got it off eBay, of course. If I get my tension bar in it, we will begin. There we go. A little bit of a false already, so at least it has some security pins in it. Oh yeah, counter rotation. This tension bar is not going to work for me though. It's going to fly out and hurt somebody. Big false set there. Work my way back out, look for some counter rotation. Ooh. And there she is, picked open. So, cool little lock. It's got some security pins in it. If you're looking for a confidence dimple lock, this would probably be a good one for you. But at least it has some security pins in there. Kind of a fun one. They don't make these anymore from what I hear. They were made back in the 90s. They were too expensive. They were like $18, $19 a piece. And nobody bought them, so they stopped making them. That's the information I have on them, so what I'm doing, lock it back up. I'd like to gut this one, but it doesn't come out. You can kind of see on the side here the caps, but I'm not going to drill them out and mess up this lock since they don't make them anymore. But that's it. Master number 540 picked. Thank you for watching.